Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today we're diving into Instagram's coolest new feature, collaborative collections. Ever had friends you geek out with over travel inspiration, fashion finds, or hilarious memes? This feature lets you curate and share all that goodness together. So, grab your besties and let's get collaborating. How to create a collaborative collection. Open Instagram and find a post. Whether it's a dreamy vacation pic or a laugh out loud reel, this will be the first gem in your collection. Tap and hold the bookmark icon. Look for the little flag below the post. Give your collection a name. Don't just save it. Let's make it collaborative. Toggle on collaborative. Allow friends to join your collection. This turns your collection into a shared haven. Go and name your masterpiece. Choose something catchy and descriptive. Invite your friend. Search for your friend or browse your contacts. Tap Save. That's it. Your collaborative collection is ready for action. Now the real fun begins. Add more posts together. See a hilarious meme your friend would love? Save it to the collection. They'll get notified and can do the same for you. Organize your treasures. So there you have it. Collaborative collections are your gateway to shared Instagram fun. Don't forget to leave a comment below with your favorite ways to use this awesome feature. And as always, hit that subscribe button for more techie tips and tricks.